kind of a different story. I'm not your mainstream, traditional 55-year-old woman standing before you. I've had quite a journey. My name is Regina Lark, and I have a professional organizing company. I help people clear stuff and clutter. It's called a clear path. We only use 20% of everything we own. This whole closet, 80% of the stuff in this closet you are not using.
Neat and tidy, fierce and fabulous is Extreme Home Makeover meets Design on a Dime.
We bring hope and empowerment to people who feel stuck in cluttered and chaotic spaces. Hi! Where we try to understand the client. Hey. Clutter is a physical manifestation of what I call head trash. For fear of upsetting another person, what you want in your space is you want your heart to sing here.
I love your clutter, oh let me get at it. Sorting and grouping, I'm merely an addict. Paper clips, tchotchkes, and binders with rings.
And when I joined the Institute, I had discovered a world of brain types that I had not been exposed to before. And I now am a certified specialist in working with people with ADHD, chronic disorganization, which I'll explain to you, and the hoarding disorder. But those clothes that I'm holding on to, they were from my heyday. And I'm like, let today be your heyday. Allow today to be just as great as you think it was back there.